Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Goring Guitar. We have Tom MacDonald. He created a song very fast called Charlie. And obviously this is based upon Charlie Kirk, who was recently murdered. And you can have your different opinions on the political view and so on, back and forth, but this is about the murder itself and a powerful song. So let's go into handle this Tom MacDonald called Charlie song. So what we can do here is the absolute best scenario to put a capo on the 7th fret here, and with that we're gonna look into that melody. I'm gonna show you the chords based upon this melody in the end of the tutorial, but this is this picking pattern based tutorial. So let's go into this capo on 7th and learn this chord by chord, starting with the C sharp minor based melody. So what you do here is to hold 4th fret on the A string, and that's it. You're going to play this pattern. Okay, so you're going to play 4th fret on A, open B, open high E. You repeat that again, 4th A, open B, open high E, and then 4th A and open B. So it's very simple patterns we're going to use here. You're going to start to practice slowly and gradually speed up. So you will see it sounds much harder than it actually is. So slowly it goes like this. Okay. Then you go into this G sharp chord. So what you do here is just go up one string and hold this 4th fret E string. Okay, so you're gonna play exactly the same, just a different bass note. So that gives us 4th E, open B, open E, again 4th E, open B, open high E, and then 4th E and open B. Okay, and then we have the ending here in this first round. We have two different endings and they will alternate each other. So the first ending here in this first round will be to play this part. Okay, so that is to follow the same pattern. Now you have the bass note of open A string. And then you hold this 2nd fret B and then open high E. Okay, so that will be the new pattern now. So you're gonna play this for 4 rounds. And then on the 5th round you end. You're gonna play again, open A, 2nd B, open high E, and go back to 2nd B. So that last pattern here based upon the A chord was to hold on the 2nd fret B string and play open A, 2nd B, open high E, and basically you play that for 5 rounds plus end on this 2nd B. So that is the first half. Okay, then the second half you're gonna start in the same way. You're gonna play the C sharp minor chord, then the G sharp, and then you come into this second ending. Okay, and the second ending starts in the same way as the first one. So you're gonna play the same pattern for 2 rounds of the A pattern, and then you play the open A and 2nd B. So first 2 rounds in the same way, and then open A, 2nd B. And then you go into this B chord pattern and you play the 2nd A string, 4th B, open high E. You repeat that again, so 2nd A, 4th B, open high E, and then 2nd A and 4th B. And that's the end of the second round, and that's the end of the pattern. So you just alternate this first round with this ending and then second round with that ending. So slowly I'm gonna play through everything for you. It goes like this. All right, so there you have the melody. So I promise to give you the chords for this one. So it will be tight. I have a guitar from Anchor Guitars, and the body stops here at 14th fret. If you don't have that, it will be very tight most of the times, or many times the body stops here at 12. Okay, so you need this space for this song to get the real chords here. So what you play here is a bar on 4th fret. 5 strings is what you need to cover, and then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. So that's a C sharp. Next is the G sharp. So again, still a bar on the 4th fret. They pushed down all strings this time. And then 6 on A and 6 on D added. And then comes the A. That is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, open E, and then B. And that will be a bar on the 2nd fret, 5 strings if you count from bottom up, and then I place normally a bar in front of that on the 4th position. Make sure I push down the D, G, and B string, and stay away from the last E if I need to go with the bar all the way down. And there you have all the chords. So guys, I like to play these tutorials for you and learn you, and that is my mission with this channel. Hope to get something back for you. So if you would like to thumb up this tutorial, maybe leave a comment if you won't do that, why, and explain. I read everything and I consider everything. Maybe I write something back. I cannot promise, but most of the times I do. So thank you for interacting with me, guys. I hope to see you soon. Until next time, play tuned.